Maharaj, in Iskcon they label all Babajis as Sahajiyas. So Maharaj, what is the meaning of Sahajiya? Are all Babajis Sahajiyas? Requesting Maharaj to kindly please clarify this doubt.
Well, now you are asking what is the meaning of Sahajiya and are all Babajis Sahajiya, etc. See, Sahajiya means who takes a easy way out, easy path, easy going spiritual life. Bhoga and Bhakti together. These are called Sahajiyas. In Iskcon language also, those people who smoke cigarettes also, they take drugs and they are womanizers also. These are called Sahajiyas. Well, truly, these are called Sahajiyas. They think they are doing Bhakti Radha Krishna, they are taking drugs, they are womanizing. Surely they are all Sahajiyas. But you cannot term all Babajis as Sahajiyas. You cannot do this. Srila Gaur, Srila Babaji, Srila Jagannath Babaji, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, all three of them, they were given their Manjri Deha Siddha Pranali, their eternal form of as Dasi of Radha and Krishna by their gurus. And they meditated upon by that Siddha, the Deha, they used to meditate on serving Radha and Krishna here. As per the Goswami literature, books written by the Goswami, Jagannath Goswami, Vilap Kusumanjali, and the other Goswamis and Prabodhana Saraswati, they used to meditate on the Granthas and serve Radha Krishna by their Guru given Siddha Deha. So, when the basis of your meditation are the Goswami Granthas and you serve them through your Siddha Deha, Manjri Swarup given by your Guru, this is called being Rupanuga. This is not Sahajiya. We here in Radha Kund and all this Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Jagannath Babaji, Goswami Babaji, we don't take even carrot. Here Vaishnava etiquette is observed to its fullest. We don't even take carrot, no tea or coffee. Proper Vaishnava etiquette is being observed. And when anyone does bhakti this way, it is not called Sahajiya, it is called Rupanuga. And if you think that by your Guru given Siddha Deha, if you meditate upon serving Radha and Krishna as per Goswami's Grantha, if this is Sahajiyism, then Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Sahajiya, Gaur Babaji is Sahajiya, and Jagannath Babaji is also Sahajiya. So out of 5 pictures in the altar, 3 of them are Sahajiya. And why you are putting them in the altar? We are exactly following the same how Gaur Babaji did, exactly the same how Bhaktivinoda Thakur did, exactly the same how Jagannath Babaji did. The way they used to do bhakti, our gurus did the bhakti same way and we are doing bhakti exactly the same way. On the basis of exactly word to word as per Vrindavan Mahimanamrit, as per Radha Sudhanidhi, as per Govind Lilamrit, word to word, as per the shlokas, exactly written by the Acharya, we are meditating serving Radha and Krishna. This is what Mahaprabhu has also told us to do, dual sadhana, twofold sadhana. What that Mahaprabhu directed, Mahaprabhu got directly instructed entire Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. Do you know this? What are the direct instructions of Lord Gauranga? Bahya antar ihar duita sadhan. Bahya sadhak dehe kare shravan kirtan. Antar siddha dehe kariya bhavan. Mahaprabhu was told do twofold sadhana. What is twofold sadhana? Hearing and chanting about the Lord is external sadhana. Bahya sadhak dehe, by this body you have, do shravan and kirtan. And antar siddha dehe kariya bhavan. So if we don't do Seva of Radha Krishna by our Guru given Siddhya, we are not following the Lord Gauranga. Please understand this thing. This is a very important thing. If we meditate on Radha Krishna Seva, this is not Sahajiya. This is being a Gaudiya. Gaudiya means who follows Vani of Lord Gauranga. Vani of Lord Gauranga is do twofold sadhana, not one sadhana. Do 2 sadhana simultaneously. Shravan and Kirtan is Bahya sadhana and serving Lord Krishna in your heart by your Guru given Siddha Deha. This is internal sadhana. So Iskcon and GURUDEVAmedia very cheaply criticize Babajis and those who are genuine followers of Lord Gauranga. They say they are Sahajiyas. If they are Sahajiyas, then throw Bhaktivinoda Thakur out of your altar. Throw Gaur Babaji out of your altar. Throw Jagannath Babaji out of your altar. They are Sahajiyas, we are Sahajiyas then. Because we are following exactly, not even iota difference, what they were following and what we are following. There is no difference, there was no difference. 500 years exactly the same, everyone is following. Everyone except Gaudiya is following exactly the same way. Sahajiya means taking easy. This is Sahajiyism, putting Chhat Goswamis on altar of Sitaram. This is Sahajiya. You think it's a cheap thing to put Radha Krishna's Dasis on the altar of Sitaram? Putting Dasi of Radha Krishna Goswamis on nursing there. This is Sahajiyism. This is Sahajiya. Easy going, cheap, whimsical. Whatever you think is non-Shastri, you think is, you put that practically. This is Sahajiya. Putting tilak, not even putting Guru given tilak. What can be more Sahajiya than this? Propagator of he Sahajiya, he Sahajiya. See, you are Sahajiya. And those who are genuine for what has Rupa Goswami instructed? Sadhak seva rupena siddh rupena chatrahi. Rupa Goswami is telling, do seva as a sadhak, Shravan Kirtan, and in your mind, serve Radha Krishna by your Guru given siddh there. This is Rupa Goswami telling. So if we do this way, then we are proper Rupanuga. And Mahaprabhu says exactly the same. Bhaya antar yahar duita sadhan. Why don't you accept this shloka? Bhaya antar yahar duita sadhan, given by Lord Gauranga as your life's guiding force. Our life should be guided by words of Lord Gauranga and Rupa Goswami, not by anyone else's words, not by any institutional acharya. No institution. You mean to say your institutional acharya is above Lord Gauranga? That your institutional acharya is above Rupa Goswami? You don't want to become Gaudiya? You don't want to become Rupanuga? You want to become Acharya Nuga, institutional Acharya Nuga? Are you? You came here to become a Gaudiya Vaishya or some institutional Acharya Nuga? Get your basics cleared. Why I came in Gaudiya Vaishya? To become a proper Gaudiya, plain and simple. Proper Gaudiya means who follows Vani exactly what Lord Gauranga said and what exactly Rupa Goswami has said. Sahajiya is something cheap, easy going, womanizing. Here in Radha Kund, so much distance is done between males and females. Everyone is covered in sari. No one, rarely anyone talks to ladies. Drugs, no one takes tea, coffee, even carrot is not being taken here. You are calling proper, genuine followers who have given their lives to serving Radha and Krishna. You are calling them Sahajiya. Can there be bigger aparadh than this? Calling all Babajis Sahajiyas and putting Babaji's picture in the altar. Is there any sense to it?
Is it right to call those saints as Sahajiyas who daily chant at least 64 rounds, do Radha Krishna Panch Tattva worship, meditate on Siddh Swarup and their service, strictly follow all 4 rules and Vaishnav etiquettes, or is it Maha Aparadh? Ask yourself.